Hi everybody, my name is Oriana Besaida Cordova. This is the activity Speak and Improve. All university students should do part-time jobs while they are studying. What are the advantages? What are the disadvantages? What is your own opinion? Okay, as an advantage, university students could have income for their expenses thanks to their part-time job. Between the disadvantages, I can say that university students would have less time to prepare and study for their academics activities. And the last question, in my opinion, I believe that both advantages and disadvantages are useful for me since having a part-time job benefits the economy. Instead, having an overload work can generate fatigue, and this can cause lack of interest in doing all the academics activities for the students who have to turn it all the activities. These all are the answers for the three questions. Thank you.